Hi guys, quick update. It's about 11 o'clock on, what's the date?
It's actually 10 past. It's the 3rd of January.
Okay, 3rd of January, it's at 10 past 11 at night. We are closing in on it. We've been doing final fit off of stuff all day. Jenny has been painting. Let's take a look at all of this stuff.
So we have done quite a lot of painting, quite a lot of finishing. So the kitchen's actually in now. I'm gonna start the tiling of the backsplash hopefully tomorrow. But it's looking pretty good. The benches are all silicone done. These are all fitted in. It's looking pretty good. This is in and all working. Oven's all in and working. Pantry in its new place here. Fridge in its new place here, which was originally going to be the pantry. We've got a shelf to go over the fridge for some cookbooks. The bedroom's almost done. Put new lights in.
Put these new round LED lights.
And this little sconce that was here, we've put that one in. Looking pretty good. All my painting. And actually the kitchen light, have a look at the kitchen light, it's so lovely. We changed the old ugly one that was big bulbs in it out. So it's in exactly the same place as it was, but it just looks so pretty.
And tomorrow's job will be the laundry, which we gutted completely. A new cabinet to go here. We're going to put the washing machine in the corner, dryer up above, and then open shelving up the side of the cabinet with a tub. We're in the bathroom.
This was where the old shower used to come to. And of course the door, meant that the door was, I mean, I know I'm chubby, but that's ridiculous. And then, so we've just made it a normal size door. A smaller vanity, which is little. It's a little tiny house type style one actually. But it means that there's a whole lot more space and there's going to be a towel rail there. And the toilet. Now this toilet actually is the one that we used to have in our old house. But because we're so nice and clean and tidy, it's like it's brand new. Yeah, and then we've got the glass to go on around there. You can see that we've waterproofed. We've waterproofed all around there, up where the shower is. So it's all pretty much ready to rumble. Yeah. And of course, there's got to be trim around the window. And trim around the doors. And trim around everything. Then I'm going to paint it. Hi, we're tiling. Look at it. Looking good.
Oh my God. Saturday. And we are tiling the backsplash. So, and we have some help today from Paulie Wally, who bought us dinner. And then she decided to stay for DIY.